Hello, everyone. Welcome back for Monday. And today is our first day of learning and talking about culture. So, we're going to get into culture and cultural universals. And we have a nice, fun project coming up as well. But today, we're going to introduce culture. I'm going to ask you guys to get out a pencil or pen and your notebook and just put the date at the top and put culture. Okay. And then I will let you know when you need to take notes. So sit back, focus, take some notes on what we're talking about here, and I'm going to introduce culture to you guys. And also, there's going to be a book that you're going to listen to in YouTube, and I will post the link for that in Canvas. Okay. So here we go. Culture. Culture. So here are the targets of our cultural unit, and I do want you guys to write these down. Okay. Targets. I can define culture in my own words. So we're going to work on building our definition of culture, okay? Explain the elements, the universals, of culture. Describe the impact culture has on my own life and the lives of others. So write these three targets down, and the elements or the universals of culture are the different elements most cultures have, okay? And we're going to get into that a little bit later, okay? So now we are into part one. And pause this if you need to write down the targets, okay? So I don't have to sit and wait. Write these targets down. And then part one. What is culture? Okay. So I want you guys to write down what is culture with a question mark, and then write down your own definition of what you think culture is, okay? And then I'm going to put the link for this Westlandia audiobook it's in YouTube. I'm going to put the link in Canvas. Okay? So you'll see this book in Canvas. What you're going to do is you're going to listen to this book and watch. And then you're going to build on what is culture. Okay? You're going to write down some more observations on what you think culture is. So write down what you think culture is, and then go to Canvas and click on the link for Westlandia, and you're going to watch and listen to this audiobook, okay? And then after you listen to that, you're going to come here. So listen to the Westlandia first, and then pick up right here where you left off, okay? So welcome back. What is culture then? Culture is a pattern of behavior, written or unwritten, that is accepted and expected by a group of people. So I want you to write this down. Culture is a pattern of behavior, written or unwritten, that is accepted and expected by a group of people. All right, I'm going to keep going a little bit further. Part two, we're going to talk about what all cultures have in common going forward. So I'm going to introduce what all cultures have in common, and then we're going to pause there for the day, okay? So make sure you're taking notes on all this stuff. Make sure you've already watched the Westlandia video, the audiobook for Westlandia, and then you're going to find yourself here. What do all cultures have in common? Write this question down. What do all cultures have in common? And then you're going to write this down. Cultural universals, right here. Cultural universals. Beliefs and values. All cultures have beliefs and values. Again, write these down. All cultures have an economy, resources for money, resources and money. All cultures have an economy. All cultures are part of a geographic location, physical features in the land they live in, the landscape they live in. So geography, all cultures are part of a geography. All cultures have some sort of government, rules, leadership. All right, so make sure you're writing this down, like I said. And then all cultures have social systems of daily life. What are the expectations or what you do in a day? Some cultures expect that you're going to get up and help out your family. Some cultures expect that you're going to get up early and go to work. I would say a lot of cultures expect that. So what are the social systems the culture has? Daily life. All cultures have a social system in place. All righty. We're going to pause here, go back and re-watch and re-listen to this video. Make sure you did Westlandia and listen to Westlandia, and we'll pick up on this again. Again, make sure you took notes. Go back and re-watch if you need to. Thanks, guys. Peace.